Learn how to configure character movement in GDevelop and set up the basics of a 2D platformer game. Let's dive in. I have GDevelop opened here. To start, click on Create New Game and then select Empty Project. From the options provided, choose Desktop and Mobile Landscape. For the project name, you can name it something meaningful like My Platformer Game. Select your preferred storage location and click Create Game. Now, we're in our scene, where we'll build the game. To add objects, click on Add New Object. This opens the GDevelop Asset Store, which has a variety of pre-made assets for different game types. For this tutorial, I'll search for a platformer asset pack by typing platformer in the search bar. Once you find it, select the pack and click Add these assets to my scene. This will download and import the assets into your project folder. It might take a moment, but once it's done, you'll see all the assets available in your scene. Now, let's add some platforms to our game. Drag and drop the platform objects from the asset list on the right side into the scene. I'll place 2 platforms here for demonstration. You can arrange them however you like to create the level layout. Next, we need to add a character. I'll drag and drop a character into the scene. At this point, our platforms and character are just visual elements, so we need to give them behaviors. Double-click on a platform to open its settings. Go to Behaviors, click Add Behavior, and assign the platform behavior. Click Apply to save the changes. Repeat this step for the second platform, so both platforms act as physical objects in the game. Now, let's configure the character. Double-click on the character to open its settings. Go to Behaviors, click Add Behavior, and from the list of available behaviors, select Platform Character. Before clicking Apply, you'll notice several properties like jump speed, acceleration, maximum speed, and deceleration. These values can be edited to customize how your character moves in the game. For now, I'll leave them at their default settings. Now let's preview the game by clicking the Preview button. At this point, you'll notice that the character can move and jump on the platforms. However, there are some issues we need to address. The camera doesn't follow the character, so it's easy to lose track of them as they move. The character animations, like running, jumping, or idling, are not functioning yet. The character doesn't flip direction when moving left or right. Let's start by fixing the camera issue. Go to the Events tab. Events in GDevelop are essentially rules for your game. Each event consists of a condition and an action. Conditions define when something happens, and actions define what happens. To make the camera follow the character, add a new event. Since the camera should always follow the character, we won't add any conditions. Instead, we'll add an action. Click Add Action. Select your character, and choose the action Center the camera on an object. In the object selection, choose your main character. Preview the game again, and now you'll see the camera stays centered on the character as they move. Next, let's tackle the animations. For the running animation, add a new event. Click Add Condition. Select your character and choose the condition is moving. Now add an action. Click Add Action, select your character, and choose Set Animation by Name. In the animation name field, type the name of your run animation, such as run. To ensure this only triggers once when the character starts moving, add another condition. Trigger once while true. For the idle animation, we need to invert the is moving condition. Add a new event and select your character. In the conditions list, choose is moving and check the option to invert it. This will trigger the event when the character is not moving. Add an action, select your character, and choose Set Animation by Name. Set the animation name to idle. Again, add the trigger once while true condition to ensure this only activates once when the character stops moving. Next, we'll set up the jump animation. Add a new event and select the condition character is jumping. For the action, click Add Action, select your character, and choose Set Animation by Name. Set the animation name to Jump. As before, add the trigger once while true condition to prevent the animation from repeatedly triggering while jumping. Preview the game, and now you'll see the jump animation works as expected. Now, let's fix the flipping issue when moving left or right. Add a new event. For the condition, choose Key Pressed and select the right arrow key. For the action, click Add Action. Select your character and choose Flip Horizontally. Set the flip option to No, since the character faces right by default. Copy this event, and for the new event, change the condition to left arrow key pressed. Update the action to set the flip option to Yes. Preview the game one more time, and you'll see the character flips direction when moving left or right. Now, let's add a ladder to the game. Drag and drop a ladder object into the scene from the asset list. Double-click the ladder to open its settings. Go to Behaviors and click Add Behavior. From the list, select Platformer, then choose Ladder from the Type dropdown. Click Apply to save the changes. Once done, preview the game, and you'll notice the character can climb the ladder seamlessly. Finally, let's add a background to our scene. Create a new layer by clicking Add Layer. Rename the new layer to Background Layer, and drag it below the base game layer in the layer list. This ensures that the background appears behind all game objects like platforms and characters. If it's above the base layer, it might block your game objects from view. Next, drag and drop a background asset into the scene and assign it to the background layer. Preview the game, and you'll now see the background properly placed behind the platforms and character. With these changes, the camera now follows the character. Animations work for running, jumping, and idling, and the character flips direction correctly. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll add obstacles, interactive elements, and more features to enhance our platformer game. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.